show you how to set the light curves in the Photoshop app. First, you have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on filter, then we click on camera raw filter, and here in the right side, if we scroll down, we have curve. Now we click on the white circle to refine the light curve, and here we can add some stops, and just by placing these dots in the picture, we can set how it looks like this. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.